Motivational Minute with Joe Paul.
Guess what the easiest thing to do is? Like the easiest thing in the world. The easiest thing in the world to do is give up, is quit. Is quit. And you know what happens? Most of the time, we don't realize this now. I found this to be true, especially in my situation. Anytime that I went after a goal, or anytime I started something new, or anytime I really believed in something, I would be faced with tons of obstacles. Either you stick it out and you fight through those obstacles and you achieve your goal, or you say, you know what, maybe I'll try something else. But I want to share something really important with you that I found to be true in my situation. Every time I went for a goal, don't give up 3 seconds before the miracle happens. Seriously, every time that I've given up or thought about giving up, something amazing happened. So if you're on the brink of giving up, don't, because your miracle is going to happen very soon.
JoePaulSpeaks.com